Welcome to Simple Daily English.
Look at my paintings, Max. I have worked all week. I have 5 orange cats, 10 brown dogs, and even 1 purple bird.
They are beautiful, Lily. The colors are so bright. Look at my table. I have my handmade wooden robots.
Wow! How many do you have?
Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. I have 15 robots. Some are tall and some are short.
Today is the big school fair. I am a little nervous, but excited. We are selling our art to help the local animal shelter. They need food and blankets.
Exactly! I made a sign. 1 robot equals 1 hot meal for a dog. It is a very important mission.
Let's pack everything carefully. We don't want anything to break.
Grab the box, Lily. Let's go to the playground. Welcome to our table, everyone. Step right up.
Look, Max. Our first customer is coming. It's Mr. Harrison, the science teacher.
Hello, kids. What a wonderful display. Your table is very colorful. What exactly are you selling today?
Hello, Mr. Harrison. I am selling original paintings. This big painting of a royal cat is my favorite.
It is very detailed. How much is it?
This big cat painting is $20.
Oh, $20? Let me think. That is a bit expensive for a small painting, don't you think?
I know it is a high price, sir. But it is not for us. It is for the animals. They need medicine. And beds.
You are right, Lily. It is a very good price for a very good heart. I will take it. Here is a $20 bill.
Thank you so much. Our first $20.
Wow! Look at these robots. Do they move? They don't move by themselves, but they are very strong. I made them from oak wood. I really like this small blue robot. And I like that giant one with the silver head. How much are they? This small robot is $5. The big robot is $12. Oh no, I only have $10. I saved my pocket money for 2 weeks, but it's not enough for the big one. You have $10? Well, today is a special day for the animals.
What are you thinking, Max?
For you, my friend, the big robot is $10. It is cheap today because you are helping the puppies. Really? Thank you, Max. You are the best. Here's my $10 bill. Great. Have fun with your new robot. Now we have $30 total in our money box. Oh no, Lily! Look at the clouds. It is starting to rain.
Our table is getting wet. The paper will ruin. We must protect the paintings in the money box.
Quick, help me. Put the paintings in the plastic box. Cover the robots with your coat.
Max, We only have $40 now. We sold a few more small items, but we need $50 to buy the special medicine the shelter asked for. We are $10 short.
And everyone is leaving because of the rain. Fair is ending early.
Maybe we can't help the puppies after all.
Wait, look! A man is running across the grass toward us. He looks like he's in a hurry.
Wait! Please don't close your stall yet. I saw your sign from across the street.
But sir, it's raining. Everything is packed in boxes.
That's okay. I heard you are helping the animal shelter. I want to buy everything that is left.
Everything? But we have many things left. 3 paintings and 7 robots.
I have a big family and many grandchildren. They love art and robots. How much for all of it?
Let me count. We had 40, plus the remaining items. Normally it would be 50, but for a bulk sale, it is $60.
$60? That is a bargain. But I want to do more.
100? But that is too much. We need to give you change.
No. Keep the change for the puppies. They need it more than I do.
$100. Wow! I can't believe it.
We did it, Lily! We had 40, and now we added 100. We have $140 now.
That's enough for medicine, food, and new toys for the dogs. Even small kids can do big things when they work together. What a day at the school fair. Let's review what we learned.
We practiced our big numbers, 20, 50, and 100.
We learned 2 very important words for shopping.
Expensive, when something costs a lot of money, like Lily's masterpiece.
Cheap, when the price is low, like Max's rainy day discount. Most importantly, we learned that being kind and helping others is the best way to spend your time. Money is just paper, but a good heart is gold.
See you next time for our next adventure. Goodbye.